There are 7.7 billion people in the world, and 3.5 billion of them are online. Of all those users, more than 2/3 are on social media. So understanding and properly implementing social media marketing could be the key to your company's success. This channel has no entrance fees, very limited censorship, and what we'll cover today, no geographical barriers. Here are our 5 steps to launching your international social media strategy. First, consider the platforms that people from other countries are using. Qzone is the biggest social network in China. It allows users to write blogs, listen to music, watch videos, and save photos. Mixi, on the other hand, is a big player in Japan, whose main focus is to connect people that share similar interests. Second, consider the behaviors of the consumers you're targeting with social media. Italians get half of their news from this channel, while online gaming is one of the biggest uses in India. Third, localize your content. Make sure you're using the formats your new culture understands, think currency and measurement systems, that you're appealing to the new culture's humor. Russian humor is big on plays on words, while British humor is a lot more sarcastic. Consider that some topics may be taboo depending on the region. Always remember to consider time zones when posting, or you'll risk wasting a potentially viral post on an audience that's still asleep. Finally, engage with your new audiences in their language with references they'll understand and being mindful of cultural nuances. At Day Translations, we specialize in international social media marketing, from market research to content design and community management. We work with every single language, and we have a team of marketers and linguists that are experts in your target culture. Contact us today at daytranslations.com.